Hi Blackbird fam, welcome to another video. I know it's been a long time no see. Excuse weird shadows that you'll see under my hands in this video. It is early in the morning and I want to get these releases filmed because I've been sitting on them for a while. I'm at this kind of busted up old desk that I use for filming. And let's do this. Now, what I'm here to talk to you about, as you can see, I've got a planner in front of me, is monthly views and note page kits and how I'm kind of changing up the game. So development in the last few months over 2020 is that due to a lot of actions with the namesake of the company, a lot of planner girls in the community have made the decision that they no longer wish to support Erin Condren or purchase their planners. And I'm kind of in the same boat. However, I paid over $130 for my planner in March this year when I purchased it, between the exchange rate and shipping and everything like that. So I am enjoying using my planner. It's really good for my mental health. And so I'm going to continue to use this planner until it runs out or I find a good enough alternative. But what has occurred to me is that there are a lot of people that use vertical planners because they love the layout that are the same kind of size as this, by different brands like Happy Planner, Recollections, and like heaps of stores that do similar sized planners. I think this is, what is this, like a D something? I don't know. Anyway, this size that have asked me regarding doing monthly kits for their planners that I haven't done because I can't do a billion different styles. So then I thought, why not change it up and make full page cover up stickers for the monthly plan and for the note page spreads. And that is exactly what I went and did. And I'm doing a video so you can see the layout of it and understand what I'm talking about. So for those that need a refresher for some reason, this is like in an EC planner anyway, this is the monthly spread. It's 2 pages and I previously did kits that were very specific. They were like the titles here, covering up the blank days, a checklist thing down here, and things to fit this. However, not everyone uses this. So what I have come up with instead is 5 pages that will do a complete spread. So what I'm talking about is basically layering stickers. Now, instead of doing one sticker that's the size of an entire page, there were a few ramifications with that. One of them, very unlikely to be sent in the post without getting folded by the postman. 2, I would have had to offer bigger envelopes and cello bags to fit them, which would attract an extra cost and be higher cost in postage. And 3, putting down a sticker that big, if you screw it up, there is no room for undoing it. Like, it's better to work in small sections and layer them together. So what I've come up with is this. It is 4 pages across a whole view, and when pieced together, they make a whole spread. And then, of course, and also it's Monday through Sunday rather than Sunday, Monday, because I know a lot of people were always asking me for custom kits that started Monday. For me, it works better to have the weekend group together. It just makes sense to me that way, because that's how the rest of my planner is. So Monday through Sunday. And also a little functional sheet. So sorry about the shadow again, but you can see there's stickers there, little flag arrow things for bills due, some generic frags, payday stickers, some labels that are made to fit the width of these columns, some icons, and some kind of glittery accents as well that you can use for your spread, as well as I always include this. My mother is a survivor of breast cancer and she only noticed because she felt a lump. So I put a little reminder to touch your tartars every month, because early detection is the #1 thing for women in detecting breast cancer. So that is the kit. I'm going to show you how to use it in a second. Firstly, let me show you how it actually came out. So this is November. September is the one I'm about to plan. So here is August. So you won't be able to see it because it's matched up in between the white boxes. There's a line here, and that is the line between the top and bottom pages. But that is my August monthly view. How good is that? I love it, honestly, versus like this is what I did the month before, like a bit of everything, and you know, shove some washi tape in. Even with kits, it just wasn't that great. So I love this. I think this is really, really cool and really, really cohesive. So further to that, I then went ahead, I can show you October because I've got that down. This is the August monthly view at Blackbird Print Co. This is what's available. This is October. This is original art drawn by me for one of my kits called Haunted Mansion, and I absolutely love it. How cool is it? I love this pumpkin down here. But yeah, the kind of creepy after, like, I don't know if you can see, these are a bit transparent so you can see the pattern. I think it's so cool. Because I was doing this, I also started thinking about my note page kits, which I'm kind of known for. So again, as I said, with every spread, there would be like these blank pages where you could kind of do whatever you wanted. This is too much room for a couple of things which I write elsewhere anyway. Like, I feel like all of this is a bit redundant. So, what I decided to do was a full page note page kit for the monthly memories. So I was doing something similar to this, but all laid out in individual elements before. I decided to put it all together. There will be other ones following, like ones for finances and ones for health and fitness, if you're on a health and fitness journey like I am. However, this one is the monthly memories, which has always been a bestseller. So obviously it's 2 stickers. Again, I actually purposely left a little bit of a line, if you can see that, so you can see the gap. So a section to write your final thoughts regarding the month, just to track things that you were doing, because I find it interesting. Like, was I obsessed with burritos this month? What was I reading? Was there anything I was wearing all the time? Was it hoodie weather, whatever? So a little this month I was for your memories. I helped someone when I achieved, and I'm proud that, just to actually think about what you've achieved over the last month, even if it was just keeping yourself safe in this crazy time. That's a good thing. A blank section of dot grid for you to do whatever you want or journal whatever you want, and a couple of monthly habit trackers, so that you can track whatever it is you're doing, that you hit your hydration goal, that you were clean eating that day, that you journaled that day, whatever it is that you're trying to do. We all are trying to keep on track, right? That's why we have planners. So this is the monthly memories. I have a couple of different designs. I've printed a couple of them here to show you. So this is one of them. So they're the same layout, just different colors. I like a dark aesthetic and pink and everything. So this one is called Light Florals. This one I think is dark floral and pink or something. I don't know. There'll be images on when they're listed on Etsy, obviously. So you can see it's the 2 pages that meet together. So that was a really pretty one. I also absolutely love this one for spring or summer. I love the colors because I love green. This one is really pretty. So there are a few different options. I will come up with something that's not floral because it's just occurred to me they're all kind of floral, but I don't know, I like floral. So anyway, really proud of those. So yeah, that's kind of the gist of it. So monthly spreads and note page kits. What I'm going to go ahead and do is lay down the September one. Now this is all torn up and messy, and the reason for that is because I put the kit down. I left it like 2 days and realized I needed to show you one. Now what I found for this page is I grabbed a ruler, or actually grabbed a washi card, and laid it down where the dots end at the bottom of the grid box, and drew like this so that I could get an exact coordinate for the corner, and that helps me line things up perfectly. So and it's pretty simple. Let me show you. It's just about taking your time and making sure that the corner is down properly. So there's the edge of my spread. I'm gonna go ahead and put it here and just make sure it is straight. It's just about doing it slowly so you know you're right, and then it's just peeling the backing and smoothing it down. And then the top part is even easier because you can butt it up against the other one. So just put it there and kind of get it to a point where it's sitting flat. And if you start it off correctly, you just peel away the backing, and there it goes. So it looks like it'll be hard to line up, but that really wasn't that difficult. Let's go ahead and do the other side. I find this side of the page is always a bit easier to get it right the first time. I mean, look, if you get it wrong, you can have a little dot showing, like who cares? Because you just line it up with this bottom dotted line. I mean, there'll be different planners, obviously, but in the EC planner, this is how you line it up for success. Fold it away. Stickers are really easy to peel on the paper that I'm currently using. So I am using this PPS matte paper now because it's accessible. My premium matte paper was imported from overseas, and due to COVID I can no longer reliably source it. So again, I'm just peeling off just enough to get my bearings, line it up. It's pretty easy to line up because there's so much pattern to follow, and smooth it down. And this stuff, you can peel it up if you act quick as well. So that is that. Look at that. Boom. Monthly spread. How easy was that? So I know that I have, on the 1st of the month is when all my insurances come out. So I'm going to use one of these little bill dues. I usually use tweezers for this because I'm a fiddly kind of person. I always use bill dues for those dates. I also know my phone bill is always due on the 17th. And I know my internet is on the 29th. I'm just picking random colours because I don't really care. I know in September I have a family birthday on the 22nd. So, oh, there we go. And paydays. So mine are fortnightly. So let me go off August. So I have one on the 25th. So my next one will be the 8th. Use this pale pink. And then the next one will be 2 weeks after that. I don't know how this could be easier or better. I really love it. Obviously, you've got your goals section here. If you have any kind of sticker, you could obviously put a half box here to cover that and write something else. And I've got a little section here for next month. Again, you could put something over this and change whatever you want it to be. But I really, really like it. I'm super, super proud of this, honestly. I think this is so cool. Wait till you see Christmas. The December one's really adorable. So these should be up in the shop at the time that you're watching this. So I have August, September, October, November, December for 2020 all in there, plus at least 4 of the monthly memories layout note page kits. I will be working on other note page kits, so maybe about a week away. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Now, because I have lost my Facebook account, I got hacked, for those that don't know it, and all my Facebook accounts are locked down. I actually can't get in at all. I no longer have access to my VIP group or my Facebook Blackbird Print Co page. As such, they will be inactive. So at this stage, Instagram is the best way to interact with me, or here, or I have a Discord group. Discord is an app for your phone or your computer. It's actually used for and originally intended for gamers to like communicate, but it's brilliant as well. So if you ever want to just like find somewhere to chit chat and share planning related goodies, feel free to follow that link down below. Thank you so much for checking this out. I so appreciate it. I really hope you love these. I really hope you buy these. You can find me on Etsy, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.